All right, my friends, this video is going to be on how to solve a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Whoops. Okay, so if you have a 30, 60, 90 triangle, it's going to look something like this. You have to have a right angle, and you have to have an angle that's 30 degrees. And if you have that, and they tell us a side, let's say they give us the short side, let's say they tell us this is 7, then the hypotenuse is twice as long. So in a 30, 60, 90 triangle, the hypotenuse is twice as long as the shortest leg, which would have to be opposite the 30-degree angle. So that makes this 14. And in a 30, 60, 90 triangle, the long leg is square root of 3 times larger than the short leg. So this would be 7 radical 3. So the rule is if you have a 30, 60, 90 triangle, the relationship is 1 radical 3, 2. So the piece opposite the 30-degree angle, this piece, is 1. The hypotenuse is twice as big. And the piece across from the 60 degrees is radical 3. So that's what you have. And they give you a triangle. And they tell you it's a 30, 60, 90. And they tell you this is 10. Then if it's a 30, 60, 90, the relationship is 1 radical 3, 2. And they tell you the piece opposite the right angle, the piece opposite the 90-degree angle, is 10. Then the short leg, the piece opposite 30 degrees, is half that size. So it has to be 5. And if it's 5, then the piece opposite the 60 degrees has to be 5 root 3. So if they give you a 30, 60, 90 triangle, and you know it's a 30, 60, 90 triangle, the relationship is 1 radical 3, 2, meaning the hypotenuse is twice as big as the short leg. And they tell you that this is 15. Then 15 is across from the 30 degrees, so the 15 would go here. So if the 15 goes there, then twice as big has to be 30. And this piece has to be 15 root 3. So, if they give you a triangle, and they tell you this is 18, then you're going to go, I have 30, 60, 90. The relationship is 1. Radical 3, 2. Across from the 60-degree angle is the number 18. So this is the number 18. So if we are looking for this piece, we don't know, we'll name it X. We'll put X here. So then we have the equation. X over 1 is equal to 18 over radical 3. If we look only at this piece right here, we see we have an equation that says X is equal to 18 over radical 3. You're not allowed to have a radical in the denominator. So we're going to make this radical 3, this radical 3, which gives you X equals 18 radical 3 divided by 3. And 18 radical 3 divided by 3. Whoa, that is not a good color. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So that's going to get us X is equal to 6 radical 3. So if X is equal to 6 radical 3, then this is twice as big. And if we take 6 radical 3 and double it, we get 12 radical 3. So that's going to be 12 radical 3. Okay? If they ask us for the area, let's do purple. Area is equal to 1/2 base times height. Area is equal to 1/2. This is the right angle. So this is the base, which is 6 square root of 3. And this is the height, which is 18. Because the right angle is attached to the base, and the right angle is attached to the height. And so we do that math. And half of 6 is 3. And 3 times 18. 18 times 3, that's going to be a 4. 54 radical 3 units squared. If we did this one would be area equals 1/2 of base times height. Area equals 1/2. Here's the right angle. The right angle is attached to the base, which is 15. The right angle is attached to the height, which is 15 radical 3. So area equals 15 times 15 is, well, 15 times 10 is 150, 225. So 225 square roots of 3 divided by 2. When you type that into Canvas, you're going to type it in 225 square root of 3 fraction bar 2. That's the square root symbol. All right, my friends, that's 30, 60, 90 triangles.